Okay, Bismillah. Okay, folks, we're looking at how we calculate now angle F in this irregular octagon. So angle F is the red angle which has been labeled over here. Okay, over there. Right now, they've mentioned in the question that this is an octagon. We can also see that it's an 8-sided shape. Okay, the reason why it doesn't have lines on the sides is because the sides are not regular, they are irregular. You can tell that by the angles, all different size angles, or some of them are different than the others. So we need to first of all work out what is the total internal angle. So what should the angles add up to anyway? So in order for us to do that, we need to use the formula. Can anybody remember what the formula was? If we say start with n minus 2 times by 180 will give us what? Will give us the internal angle sum. And that is what we need to work out first of all. Now what is the value of n? Now because it is an octagon, the value of n will be what? What is the value of n? 8. So 8 minus 2 times by 180, that gives you 6 times by 180, which will give you 600 plus 480. 600 plus 480 will give us what? 600 plus 480 will give us what?
1080.
Thank you. So 1080 is what all the angles inside the shape should add up to. Now, how many angles do we not know? Just one. So we can form an equation. So we can start off with the F angle. It's this F here. So we say F add. We go around. We could go around, for example, clockwise that way. So what's F add? 170 add.
170.
Add.
120.
120 add.
140.
Add 140.
Add 140.
Add 140 again. Add.
180.
20.
Add 120. Yeah.
170.
And add
170.
70. So all of these added together with the F. Let's make the F red. Just keep the theme running the same. So all of these added together should give us what answer?
1080.
Why do you say 1080? Because we have just calculated. That's what it should add up to. So we need to now, with the calculator, work out what all of this adds up to. So we're going to have here on the bottom our F. Let's copy it down. And then we're going to plus the total of that. So can anybody tell me what that works out to be? And then we need the student to confirm it in the lesson. Okay.
I got 1150.
So we got 1. How can you have 1150? That's 1150 is actually bigger than what all of them add up to. So no, we can't have that one. Okay, let's delete that. Live now. So that students will confirm that. That gives us a total of 1030. And altogether F add 1030 will give us an answer of 1080. Now, Mr. Fahmy, can you explain to the class how do we work out the value of F?
We need to do
Opposite of add 1030 is?
take away 1030.
Okay, so what does F what's F going to equal then? Done. F is equal to 50 degrees. So this is the circumstance now where we're using the formula for the internal angle sum of a polygon to work out in a very particular situation. We've got irregular shapes. Now, are we happy with that example, how we done it?
Yeah.
So we use the same formula, but we have to do a bit more work. So we have to form the equations of all these added together will give us that number. So we know what that number is. And then we add them up, simplify it, rearrange it. We all used to do that kind of work. So we've got a little bit extra revision from before of forming equations and solving. So that's that one. Okay, let's stop that video there.